Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok search history and watch history. Now, if you're on TikTok and you didn't want anyone else to know what you searched for or what you watched, you can always clear that entire history. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. And first, if you tap on search at the top right, you'll be able to see your recent searches. An easy way to search or remove a search is just to tap on the little X icon right next to that search. However, if you have lots of searches, you might not want to go through that process. You might want to delete them all quickly and easily. To do that, tap on Profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Activity Center midway down. And first, let's tap on Search History. From here, all I need to do is tap Select, and then I can select one or multiple of these to just tap on Delete at the bottom left, or I can tap on Select All Search History, and it will select everything, then just tap Delete at the bottom right, and then delete. It says delete search history for the past 180 days, and you have wiped out all of those searches. Next, let's delete the watch history by tapping the back arrow, tapping on watch history at the top, then tapping on select at the top right. And again, you can choose individual videos to delete, or tap select all watch history, and then tap delete. And then you can see it says delete watch history for the past 180 days. Tap delete, and now you will have removed all the searches and the videos that you've watched on TikTok. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.